Elia togotikana noro boti urubono liense yale guchengera ense ya World Full Day igo boy kongo gotikali me Ekaonti ya Kisii ase omuambassador agwense ya America gochega Kenya Whitman elio hanyarata kabaga gukora Etaro yaye igocha orogongo rwagusi nigo Etaro yaye nyaraka bageko gendera ase anyaraka bagwikirana ase nyagitari yogwenia ya KTR digose Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital una omolikito Rosana Daniel akonyaraka gagotorera manga nyaraka bagakore naroro.
Balozi bwense ya America Whitman ni gagendete Etaro yaye yelitukoria kabere ime Ekaonti ya Kisii abwe ase alitarira enyagitari ya KTRH gose Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ni gomorobeli oyo oragwa amono mugafana abwe Ekaonti ya Kisii omosike Paul Simba Arati bakubwatena amono mokonyoye Elija Abebo egati ya abande ase ogochia korora obokoreri bwenyagitari eyo amo nubwamate bwaye.
Parts you have seen is what we have done currently, and we are certain that in the near future we'll be able to realize. The mother child, we're going to see it in another couple of minutes, is a dream of everyone in this county that it's operationalized. You had even, I didn't know that lady the other side where we saw the children, you know, they are passionate that they can be able to move there. Hopefully that we will talk about it. The doctors, congratulations, the staff here, I'm happy for the good work, you know, you have shown. This is how we are operating it. It's not because you are coming in. This is what exactly happens. This gentleman has done a good job. Is the one actually who moved the collections from 47 million to 200 million.
Abwo ase Whitman ate abuna na nyale koba gakwenda kurwa obokonyo bonne ase enyagitari elindegende koba gegokora oburwari aburibwike gwango keigoro mono.
I say thank you to all of the healthcare workers here. You are the most important people in this whole system. Without you, no amount of money, no amount of drugs, no amount of anything will matter. And so I just want to say thank you to all the nurses, the doctors, the staff who work every day so hard to take care of so many patients. I understand there's 1,200 patients every day. It has to be one of the busiest hospitals. But a round of applause for all the healthcare workers and everything that you do. As many of you know, the United States and Kenya have had a 60-year partnership. We've been working together for 60 years, and that relationship is based on trust, it's based on deliverables, it's based on working together to make sure that we're doing everything we can to support you.
Kulindo kurwa bona nyala kabaga gotarara ensemeli ye bunge ya Sauti Mugirango. Nkolipotelia egetaseni kia Voice of Victory kurwa Ekaonti ya Kisii eriatariane Rosana Daniel.
Muligelia togotikana no roboti urubono nkukwirania gwika ase bunge ya Senate.